Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to make realistic material in Blender. Let's start. First, we need to delete everything. Go to Add menu, select Mesh, then choose UV Sphere. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. Go to Material Properties. Click on New. Change the metallic value to 1. After that, change the roughness value to 0.2. Change the preview from solid mode to material preview. Go to Shading Workspace. Press F3 and search for bump. Press F3 again and search for noise texture. Connect FAC to height and connect normal to normal. At the noise texture, change the scale value to be 500 and change the detail value to 10 and change the roughness value to 1. At the bump, change the strength value to 0.2 and change the distance value to 0.1. Now you have very good steel material.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.